The impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte just shifted. And the reason why tells you everything about how this is going. Bakit kailangang bilisan? And what does that say about where this is headed? Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian announced Friday that senator judges reached a consensus to move the trial back to afternoon sessions. Yun lang, a schedule change. But here's the thing. When the Senate itself is rushing to speed things up, may nangyayari sa loob na hindi pa natin nakikita. The pressure to hasten proceedings means the timeline is tightening. Senator judges don't scramble to rearrange their schedules kung wala silang dahilan. This isn't just admin housekeeping. This is the Senate signaling urgency. The consensus is clear. Afternoon sessions, faster pace, sooner resolution. Ang impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte ay papalapit na sa katapusan nito. Mas mabilis kaysa sa akala mo. If you want to stay ahead of every twist in this trial, we cover it daily. Subscribe so you never miss a development. And when Gatchalian said hasten, oh, he meant it.